As production scales, you may need to expand your capabilities to include manufacturing. A recent redesign of this sensor mounting bracket is a perfect opportunity to put Solidworks CAM to work. A default stock bounding box fits perfectly to the finished part. New in SolidWorks CAM 2021, predefined bounding box gives you the ability to represent standard rectangular stock. For example, a 6-inch piece of a 6-inch wide, 3/8-inch 6061 bar. Save, update, and share your go-to sizes through the technology database. With automatic feature recognition, you can generate an initial strategy in under a minute. This initial toolpath simulation is looking good. Let's take a look deeper inside this drill operation. New in 2021, you can define PEC parameters with respect to tool diameter or flute length. More control of point-to-point operations like drilling lets me capture best practices robustly. Of course, the technology database stores how you want to do it in the shop, and that means your preferences become the next defaults. As it turns out, there's a supply on hand of 8-inch bar. So I'll make the changes and save that predefined stock to my TechDB. In 2021, a new prompt for rebuild is presented when stock is modified. Everything from the coordinate system feature to the thread operation needed to rebuild, and I'm more aware of exactly what's updating in the program. Speaking of updates, how about swapping in some round material instead? New in 2021, cylindrical stock is generated automatically. CAM will fit a minimum diameter and thickness, and with a few changes, we can see exactly what this program looks like with an 8-inch piece of aluminum. If you share your posts between programmers, no one should be hunting around their C drive. A new setting in the TechDB for 2021 provides the option to specify a default post folder. Pretty handy to keep you updated when your folder locations change. SolidWorks CAM 2021 gives your manufacturing floor more automation with expanded stock options, enhanced drilling operations, and more control over where you're managing posts. Be sure and explore how SolidWorks CAM can power your everyday milling and turning.